Hi friends, welcome to a new video of Masters Academy RRB NTPC exam 2020 series part second video. In this video, let us discuss GK and current affairs important topics prepared by Santosh Kumar PK and Parameshwara Payan of Masters Academy. RRB NTPC 2020 exam preparation, GK and current affairs important topics. It carries around 40 marks. It is to score high marks in CBT. RRB NTPC 2020 CBT 1 exam. General knowledge, the GK and current affairs section, it carries 40 marks. GK and current affairs section is considered to be one of the highest scoring sections of the RRB NTPC 2020 CBT exam. This section aims at testing the candidates' general awareness and knowledge of current affairs taking place around the world and in India. General knowledge and current affairs sections will be of 40 marks in RRB NTPC 2020 CBT exam, consisting of objective multiple choice questions MCQs. GK and current affairs important topics. Below are the major topics covered in the RRB NTPC 2020 CBT exam under the GK and current affairs section. Category, topics and subtopics. First category, static GK. It carries history, geography, economy. In history, the subtopics are facts about Harappa civilization, name of the kings who built important ancient temples and institutions, chronology of medieval India and their important systems, India's freedom movement and their leaders. In geography, India and its neighboring countries, famous seaport and airport and their location, important institution of world and India and their locations like BRICS, World Bank, IMF, RBI, etc. In economy, terminology of budget like national income, GDP, fiscal deficit and many more, 5-year plan and its importance, famous persons in the economy, institutions and their importance like RBI, SEBI, etc. Next topic under static GK is polity, that is Supreme Court, election of president and his functions, important constitution bodies like CAG, facts about parliament, fundamental duties, governor and his functions, state legislature, major constitutional amendments and their importance, official language, emergency provisions, national political parties and their symbols. Next category is general science. It contains topics biology, chemistry and physics. The subtopics under biology are important inventions and their inventor, important and interesting facts about human body parts, nutrition in animals and plants, diseases and their causes like bacteria, viruses and protozoa. Last 4 chapter of NCERT of class 12th for environment. So last 4 chapter of NCERT class 12 in biology. And chemistry, chemical properties of substance and their uses, SI units, chemical name of important substances like plaster of Paris, etc., chemical change and physical change, properties of gases, surface chemistry, chemistry in everyday life. In physics, important inventions and their inventor, SI units, motion, sound, light, wave, energy, electricity. Next category, current affairs, topic that is recent development in sports, awards, politics, finance and banking sector, international events. Next, miscellaneous GK and computer. In GK, population census, important books and their writers, nothing but authors. First sports achievement for India and the world, like first Olympic, first Asian game. Okay. Next, state animals and symbols, awards and their importance, name of the scientist who got Nobel Prize for important discoveries, important days. Next, computer, development of computers, input and output devices, memory and also shortcuts. Now let us analyze in detail the GK and current affairs topics mentioned in the above table. In general science, this section covers questions mainly from biology, physics, chemistry and daily science. Static GK, this section covers topics like Indian politics, history and culture, economy, geography, etc. Current affairs, in this section questions are asked from topics like recent development in sports, awards, politics, finance and banking sector, international happening, etc. In miscellaneous, questions are asked from topics like national schemes, computers, books names, authors, logical analysis, important days, etc. Next, tips to score high marks in GK and current affairs section of RRB NTPC 2020 exam. First one, read to increase knowledge. You have to read magazines, newspapers, weekly general knowledge blogs online and watch news channels for RRB general knowledge. Always create notes. It will help you to revise all the topics which you have covered in RRB current affairs. Static GK mainly pertains to culture, Indian history, geography, that is India plus world, environment, economy and polity. Instead of cramming mindlessly, make notes and mind maps to remember facts, a chronology of events, cause and effect, etc. Revise the notes. Revision plays an important role in this section. Reading once won't give you benefits. You have to memorize these points by revising frequently. Next, focus on important topics. Static GK and general science. The exam usually has more questions from static GK than current affairs. Therefore, focus more on static GK and simultaneously stay in touch with current affairs. Also, try to prepare the subjects in the following order of priority: science, polity, history, geography, economy and miscellaneous. Practice previous year question papers. Try to practice as much previous paper as you can, but don't forget to follow the current structure of the exam, as the exam pattern keeps on changing from time to time. Build a proper structure. Follow a proper strategy and a timetable for all the sections of the question paper. For the general awareness section, try to invest at least 1 to 2 hours every day for better output. RRB NTPC exam topics and tips on general intelligence and reasoning, that is next section, will be uploaded in next video. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our channel and share it to our friends. Please share our channel to your friends who are appearing for competitive exams. Thank you.